Welcome to Risk Manager introduction video from Tronikel. My name is Artus. I'm Prince 2 practitioner and I will share with you this application, Risk Manager, which you can implement for your company, for your project or for your department for risk management, professional risk management based on the global practices, best practices. When you will install this application, you can access Risk Manager risk management environment by pressing this button in each project of Jira in sidebar, and you will get the access into the risk management environment where you will see all risks you have. In it, you will see the risk register that can be customizable up to your needs. You can see the categories and steps overview. There are as well budget management functionality, which I will show you a bit later. You will see the risk matrix, which will allow you to prioritize your effort on the most important risks. There are as well a risk management history, which I will share a bit later. And you will be able to filter out the risks the way you want. For example, it's if you want to see only red risks or only red and yellow, or for example to filter based on the other categories or components. Even on components, here I have created the starting up business component, and I will use it as of now just to see the risks that I want to see at this moment. Here we will see which risks are adjusted. Now if you want to add the risk, you will always be able to do it fast by using this button. If you want to add the new risk, it can be done very fast by it. And each risk functionality is as well possible to be managed by this way. You can enter each single risk. It is issue-based risk management. By pressing this button, you will access the Risk Manager functionality, where you will see the assess step, where you can select the way you want the impact and probability, add additional information about cause, event, effect, plan the risk by using accept, mitigate, transfer, appoint the risk owner. It is recommended to appoint a risk owner for each particular risk, plan the response actions if needed, then as well use the risk budget and monitor impact functionality. You can use it here either money or hours. It's up to you to decide. Here we can enter the decisions we taken for each particular risk management. And here goes the actual results, comments or lessons learned from the particular risk management actions. And as well, we can enter the actuals for the risk. So for example, let's make a change. We will change here and put it as a communication category, put the probability to minor, and do some update here. Yeah. If I want to save it and have it in the history, I should select the step assess, and press the save risk. If I go back to the risk register, make refresh, Risk 7th issue. If we open up the history, we will see that we made the change. It became green. We see the date, we see the step, and here we made the update. We changed the category to communication. So all the changes are saved in the history, just to keep that track of what's happening with the risk management. What else we are able to do? We're able to configure the risk the way we want. So we can add the specific columns into the risk register. For example, it is done, of course, in the application configuration location. So we press configure, and here we can choose and adjust a bit how we want to manage. There are extra functionalities possible. At this moment, I will just choose that I don't want to see the strategy, but I want to see the budget and actuals in the risk register. And for example, I would like to see the components. Here you can add any Jira issue, any Jira field, custom field you use in your company. And of course, we should make insert happened it should be present here, and we have to save the column configuration just to be it updated. And if we go back to our risk register, risk manager in the Jira, I'm going back to T Risk Manager button, and what I will see here that I have the components and as well budget and actuals. And by enabling this, we will as well be able to see the aggregated data, what are the budget planned and what are the actuals on this particular risks that we have, and how we can add fast as well the risk. By pressing this button, for example, we add new risk. It's the most and fastest way to add the risk. We have to choose the issue type. I have an issue type here, risk. Let's choose the category, for example, resources. Let's make the probability and impact, and press the save. Add new risk, and we will see here add new risks. See, now here is the historical data. We added new risk here. Add new risk, resources category, description. We can add it later. It's now yellow, and if you want to edit it, we press edit, and here we access the particular single risk management functionality on Jira by pressing this button, Risk Manager, and we can update the cause event effect information. So it's a description of the risk. We can revise, of course, if you want category and probability impact. Now we should plan the strategy, appoint the risk owner, and plan actions. Plan the budget, for example, 1,000 in euros or dollars, monitor impact, and then we can propose here the decision which should be taken to be added later. Yes, and if I want to save into the history, I should choose the plan step, save the risk, and it will go as well into the history information. So coming back, press the fresh, check the history, and we will see that we have saved in the history as well the plan, strategy, mitigate, owner Artus, budget 1,000, actions here, and monitor impact is 0. So more information is possible. You can read the documentation in our portal. Documentation is here, so feel free to enter this documentation, read the overview, how to add the risks, how to edit those, how to filter, what are the risk matrix functionality based on the global best practices, what is the risk budget management possibilities, and what customizations you are able to do in your risk register. We have as well the support portal, so feel free to ask any questions about the application. So you should come here to our portal. There are possibilities to ask the question through it if you have any, and feel free to install and try this application through the marketplace. Try it for free for 1 year, for 1 month, and enjoy advanced risk management functionality from Tronikel. Thank you for your time, and take action to make your risk management even stronger, better for your project, for your company, for your department, by using simple, off-the-shelf but professional risk management application, cloud application for Jira. Thank you for your time.